Join me as I try to turn a small amount of cash into some serious profit by trading for the first time ever. Trading. It's a concept that might seem mysterious, even intimidating to many of us. But the truth is, it can be a viable way to make money. And today, I'm excited to provide you with a beginner's guide to get started. When it comes to trading, I think many of us have heard the horror stories of people losing their life savings or making reckless bets on the market. Or maybe you've heard that you need to be some kind of genius or have a lot of experience to even think about getting into trading. But I want to tell you that's just not true. One of the biggest misconceptions about trading is that it's only for the pros or the wealthy. The reality is anyone can trade and anyone can make money trading. Another common misconception is that trading is all about taking huge risks and making big bets. But the truth is, trading is about managing risk, being strategic, and making informed decisions. Of course, there are risks involved, but with the right knowledge and approach, you can minimize those risks and maximize your gains. Many people also think that trading is only for those who are naturally good at math or have a background in finance. But that's not true either. Trading is a skill that can be learned, and anyone can develop the skills and knowledge they need to succeed. So what's holding you back from getting into trading? Is it the fear of losing money? Well, let me tell you, that's a normal feeling. But the truth is you can't make money without taking some level of risk. And the good news is there are ways to manage that risk and protect your investments. Let's talk about the basics of trading. There are different types of trading, including stocks, forex, and crypto. And within each of these categories, there are different types of trades you can make, such as day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing. When it comes to important terms, you'll need to understand things like leverage, margin, and pips. And when it comes to strategies, there are many different approaches you can take, such as technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a combination of both. One strategy that beginners often use is something called position trading. This is where you hold onto a trade for an extended period of time, usually weeks or even months, in an effort to ride out market fluctuations and capture bigger price movements. Another strategy is called swing trading, which involves holding onto a trade for a shorter period of time, usually a few days or a week, in an effort to capture smaller price movements. Risk management is also a critical component of trading. This involves setting stop losses, which are automatic orders to sell a security when it reaches a certain price, and limit orders, which are automatic orders to buy a security when it reaches a certain price. By using these tools, you can limit your potential losses and maximize your gains. One key insight that can significantly improve your trading success is the importance of education. Trading is a skill that can be learned, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. That's why it's essential to continue learning and educating yourself even after you've started trading. Another key insight is the importance of discipline. Trading can be emotional, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement or fear of the market, but the most successful traders are those who can remain disciplined, who can stick to their strategies, and who can avoid making impulsive decisions. So, what have we covered so far? We've talked about the misconceptions around trading, the basics of trading, and some key strategies and insights that can improve your trading success. And I hope by now you're feeling more confident and empowered to start your own trading journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation to get started with trading. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on trading and personal finance. See you in the next video, where we'll dive into more advanced trading strategies